Paper is a very simple yet powerful tool in craft. There are some very basic manipulation techniques which everyone can do using some tools and interesting techniques. Let's dive into some of them. Paper can be cut with different tools like scissor, knife or blade. But the question is how to cut precisely. Oh, it was actually buttery smooth, right? Because that was a copier sheet. What if the thickness of the paper is much higher? Maybe a cartridge sheet? The GSM of this sheet is more than 180 to 200 or above 200. With the same pressure, I made a scar. That's all. It's not a cut. What happened here? Same tool, same pressure, two different results with two different papers. So the problem is that the thickness of this paper and the thickness of this paper is different. So according to the thickness, we have to vary the pressure also. When we fold a paper with our hand, there will be lot of irregular patterns on this end. To avoid that, we can use a scale and a paper cutter. How to do that? We can make a scar on the paper without actually cutting, just a scar. Now the paper is not cut, but when we start folding, it will fold on the same place. Yes. This is a simple piece of paper, right? It do this kind of like motions and all. But if we want to make it stiff, what we can do? The simplest thing is that just add a fold. With just a fold, it is standing still. See? If you are adding one more bend, it can hold a mobile phone. This is not standing straight, right? It's kind of wave. But you know that it will stand straight with a small bend. But what if we want to stay it for a long time? We can add something like with a triangular design, it got a cantilever property. With this flat surface, I think that it can hold a hard disk. See?